Hello, everyone. This is John Hilario. We're not yet showing in Facebook. So in just a moment, I'm going to punch this up in Facebook so everybody can join us also in Facebook. Okay, so ilang po I'm going to put this in Facebook group. And somebody was asking me the other day, so what circle, so what summit, hey, how did you broadcast on Facebook at the same time? Sabi ko, secret. Anyway, so welcome everyone. I just started the Facebook chat, Facebook Live alongside this thing. So I'm gonna give you the link. I just started the Facebook chat. Wala na. Ang ingay, oh. Tinanggal ko na. So this is also broadcasting in Facebook. I gave you the link. There it is. I'm not going to share this, and we're going to start. So this is John Hilario. You're going to find out tonight what a resume looks like. We're going to interview Annalie Quinto and Phoebe Maynes. So if you can hear this, let me know by saying in the chat room, yes, yo. Yeah, have some fun. Diba? Have some fun and say yes, yo. Okay? But I am mag-share. Share! Click on sharing this. Okay. Hopefully it works. And yeah, it started sharing now. I'm not going to watch myself in the Facebook Live because that's weird. Plus, mahihirapan yung network, so we better not watch the webinar while we're doing it. So tonight you will get that treat, and the lang, which is pretty. We find out what does a perfect resume look like. Yan. So yun sa Facebook, yun ang nakalagay. So if you can't go in, just share it to your friends, no? Yan yung pwede nilang i-watch. Share this, please. Share this, please. So this lesson is going to be applicable in any situation that when you need a resume, whether you're a realtor, real-time, real work, offline work, online work, doesn't matter. If you need a resume, tonight's your night. So let me introduce myself a bit, and then we can go to the actual thing. Okay, so we're gonna run hanggang mga 9 to 38, something like that, or earlier. Okay, so my name is Jomer Hilario, and I teach people how to earn from the internet. 2 times, last 30 days, I taught affiliate marketing class. It's called Second Income. I teach people how to earn from affiliate marketing. I also teach people how to write their success vision. This is the class we did in last February. And I also teach people a lot of online marketing. One of the first people I ever taught in online marketing is Beren! Can you guess who is the first person I ever taught in online marketing? Can you guess? Can you guess? Sige na, for fun. Okay. So this was way back in 2005. 2005. During that time, Brother Bo was already curious about online marketing. One of the first things he asked me was, Jomar, ano ba ang autoresponder? Can you type that in? Jomar, ano ba ang autoresponder? Since I am such a techie, di ba? 2005. You know what I did? I went to the internet and I typed the words autoresponder in 2005. Do you know what I got? I typed the words autoresponder sa no 2005 sa Google. I'm not even sure kung may Google noon, so baka sa Alta Vista ko siya tinype. Do you know what I got? Can you guess what I got? I got absolutely nothing. There was nobody talking about autoresponders in 2005, at least something that I could understand. I could understand the thing they were saying. So, ang hirap, no? Ang hirap gawin. So, after that, a few months after that, I started doing online promotion for Brother Bo for his concerts. Jars of Clay, Ruben Morgan, and Stephen Curtis Chapman. That's in a span of 2 years, 2005, 2006. We did online marketing in Friendster and Multiply, etc. Same time, not knowing what an autoresponder was. I started experimenting with autoresponders around 2007 na. Okay? So that's my short introduction to myself. Since then, I've taught people how to earn online the easiest way, which is virtual careers. And what is that? It's being a virtual assistant or a virtual professional, as I call it, working for someone online with a monthly online income that's dependable. Can you type any one of those words? Monthly, online, income, dependable. That's essentially what you're after. No, you're not after an entrepreneurship deal wherein you cannot earn some months. You can earn some months. Yung parang natatakot ka kasi baka hindi ka kumita at wala kang kainin. So that's not the deal, no? So before we go to our guest, please let me just remind everyone, we are not talking about freelancing here. People call it freelancing, but I call it virtual careers. Okay? Freelancing kasi ang dating parang minsan may pagkain ka, minsan may project ka, minsan wala ka. Yes, but this one is getting a monthly online income that's dependable. So there's a monthly retainer. We don't really call it monthly retainer. We call it income, right? And usually it's not just one retainer, it's multiple retainers. Okay, multiple people giving us income. Please type that word, multiple income. So, what's that? Oh, anyway, so let's go and introduce our guest, our first guest, Phoebe. Hey, Phoebe! Kamusta ka na?
Hi!
Ayan.
Kamusta?
Phoebe is gonna show you her resume, gonna show you a little bit about her life. Yes?
Yes.
And let's go to it. Na? Can you just show, screen share ka na, Phoebe?
All right.
Yeah, go. Let's go. Thank you.
Wait lang. Saan na yung aking ano? Wait lang po.
Sige lang.
Ayan.
Question.
Mukha ko na agad nakita niya.
Ayan.
Alright.
Okay, go. Phoebe, everybody type
Sige.
go.
Okay, so hi everyone, I'm Phoebe. So as you can see, yan yung family ko. I'm fourth among kids. So I'm already married and we have one baby. So siya talaga yung deep why ko bakit ako nag-decide na mag-work from home. So right now, I'm a full-time mom and a part-time virtual professional. So yan, before ako virtual career, teacher ako sa isang university. So siguro may nakakaalam sa inyo kung anong university yan. So then 2014 I started working online. Part-time lang din, HR assistant. So medyo mababa yung rate kaya nag-research ako more about online careers. And then, nag-stumble ako, sa pagre-research ko na nag-stumble ako sa website ni Jomar, I started listening sa mga webinars niya online. And then that year, dinownload ko yung VA 2013 pa na downloadable. Ito yung basis yata ng book niya. And then, may assignment dyan, hindi ko nagawa. Later that year, nag-download din ako ng VA 202. Ito yung Facebook ads. So, may homework din dyan, hindi ko nagawa din. No? And then, 2015, during this year, nagpakasal ako and then resign na ako nito sa teaching job ko. And then, meron na namang seminar si Jomar, which is Date with Freedom. So, dinownload ko din yan. And dyan ako talaga, parang, yan yung turning point ng buhay ko na sabi ko, ito talaga yung career na gusto ko. At sineryoso ko siya. So, yung 100 reasons, sinulat ko yun. And then, dyan ko lang din natapos yung 10 tutorials na assignment pa dun sa VA 2013. Kaso, I gave birth, so medyo naging busy sa baby. Kaya 2016 na ako talaga naghanap ng trabaho na talagang seryoso na. So, ang first job ko sa isang Canadian client, pero hindi nagtagal kasi yung client na yon medyo hindi pa defined yung kanyang business goals. So, hindi namin alam kung ano yung direction ng business niya. Kaya medyo magulo siya. So, hindi nag-work yung relationship namin. And then, I got another client same year. So, yeah, ito yung trabaho ko ngayon, Ontraport Specialist. So, nagtatanong yung Ontraport, CRM tool siya. So, yan yung work ko ngayon. At yung client na yun, hanggang ngayon, magkasama pa rin kami. So, yun yung background ko. So, I was asked to share some tips on how you can create a resume that stands out. So, ito yung traditional resumes. Nakikita nyo dyan na may summary and then yung experience and then mahaba pa yan, may mga seminars, etc. So, yan yung traditional. Merong dalawang bagay na hindi importante talaga sa resume nyo. Gusto nyo ba malaman kung ano yun? So, yun ay, yan, yung educational background nyo and yung office-based experience nyo. So, nagulat ba kayo? Hindi kasi siya ganun ka-relevant no sa online online job or online career na hinahanap natin. So, ano ba talaga yung importante when you're looking for a virtual career? So, ito yung tips ko sa inyo, no? Ito yung importante talaga, yung online skills and experience nyo. At dapat yung resume nyo, yan yung ine-emphasize kasi yan yung hinahanap ng mga clients natin online. So, ito yung first tip ko, no? When you create your resume, dapat i-include nyo yung positioning nyo in your resume. Ano bang ibig sabihin yan? Ito yung current resume ko. Yan. So, makikita nyo dyan, no? Ayan yung positioning ko. Customer Relationship Management Strategist. O, diba? Parang expert lang ang dating. So, when you create your resume, dapat meron kang strong positioning about yourself. So, based yan sa expertise mo or do sa field na pinipili mo or kung ngayon naggagawa ka tutorials na ginagawa mo. So, yan yung first tip. No? Include a strong word or a strong positioning about yourself sa resume mo. Second is this. Include all online tools you know. As in lahat. Wala kang ititira. So, for example, ito yung example nung sa akin. No? Classify ko siya based sa category niya. And then, dun ko in-specify lahat talaga ng tools yan na alam ko or nagamit ko. Kahit once lang nilagay ko pa rin dyan. So, yun. Lagay nyo lahat. Kasi, yan yung hinahanap ng mga clients. Eh. Alam nyo ba yung tools na ginagamit ko? So, yun. Para ma-hire kayo. So, you have to show it. And then, last tip, ito, customize your resume per client. So, ang ibig sabihin ko lang dyan, pag naggagawa kayo ng resume, i-highlight yung skills na hinahanap ng client nyo. So, for example, in my case, ito. So, yan, no? Meron akong about me dyan. So, nilagay ko dyan, saan ko kinuha yan? Kinuha ko yan sa job description ni client. So, bakit ganyan? Para kapag tinignan ni client yung resume nyo, makikita niya na fit kayo dun sa hinahanap niya. So, yun. Yun po. Yun lang ang tip ko. And ito yung iwan ko sa inyo. No? A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And yung pagiging virtual professional, journey siya. Pero yung paggawa ng resume, one step siya papunta doon. So, yun lang po. God bless.
Salamat, dear Evie.
Yeah,
Oy,
I hope.
gusto nila na summary, pakiulit nga. Yung 3 tips.
Gana. 5 minutes lang kasi, kaya talaga super concise.
So, let me summarize. First tip is, tulungan mo ako nakalimutan.
Alright. First tip is you include a positioning about yourself. So, yeah, dapat strong word, katulad nun. Strategies, o diba? Expert ang dating.
Yung resume mo para makita nila yung bago mong resume.
Alright.
Second tip is, what was that?
Second tip is,
about me.
Yeah, tag dito. Yung tools, lahat ng tools na alam nyo, kailangan. Yeah, you have to include all the tools that you know. Mm-hmm. And then, my last tip is, you customize your resume. So, kung ano yung ina-applyan mo, yung about me mo, i-customize mo tungkol doon. Actually, sa'yo ko natutunan yan, Sir Jomar. Yeah. Isa sa mga lesson na natutunan ko sa'yo. Yung job description, ilagay sa resume. Yun.
Nahuli nila yun, ano? Kasi sinasabi ko, bagong seminar.
Yeah. Lahat po actually sa'yo natutunan eh. Thank you.
Thank you sa lahat na nagturo sa atin. Sa ating lahat. Ano yung last tip mo? Ano yung last tip mo? Nasabi mo na ba? Diba?
Yeah, yung last tip, you have to customize your resume per client. Sorry for the background. Ayun, nagising ang baby ko. Ayun. So, you have to customize your resume per client. So, yun.
Show mo naman yung resume mo para matitigan nila. Alam mo naman yan, pipicture nila yan.
Teka, ito na lang ang screen share ko. Wait lang. Ito yung nasa Google Drive ko. Wait lang. Ayan. So, ito yung siya. So, kung makikita nyo, no, talagang hinighlight ko talaga. Ito yung positioning ko talaga. Proud na proud. And then, ito yung latest, ha.
Pakita mo daw ang ilalim. As marami naman yan.
Actually, ang nakalagay lang talaga, puro online lang talaga. Wala akong nilagay na mga offline na mga ano. Pati yung trainings mo, andyan, no? Yeah. Lahat ng online. Kung may mga online trainings kayo, madami mga online courses ngayon. Hindi ko pa ito na-update eh. So, lagay nyo din kasi importante yan. So, yan.
Huli nyo ba? So, walang school, walang office.
Walang school. And ito pa pala, importante. Yeah. Importante to. Huwag niyo kakalimutan yung link sa blog nyo. And then, kung may LinkedIn profile kayo, yeah, mas maganda. Kasi may mga client naghahanap sa LinkedIn. Diba, no, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ayan, thank you very much, Phoebe.
Alright.
Online.
Thank you,
Answer your questions later.
Yes, alright.
Baby ay tutog. Secondly,
po ha, titingnan ko lang yung questions.
right now, mabasa namin mamaya. And meantime, let me just tell you na resume is usually one-pager lang. Usually one page, 1 to 2 pages. Most of the time, 1 page lang. So if you're asking for the whole resume, you've actually seen it. Details, positioning, LinkedIn, blog link, about me, tools. Panalo. Ganon. Oh yes, Annalie, ikaw na po ba? Si Annalie na. Bilis lang tayo. Tanggalin ko na yung mute mo. Oh, ayun na. Anong ginagamit na app sa paggawa ng resume? Google Drive. Tama, di ba? Google Drive gamit mo.
Yes. Para hindi malolos ko alin yung latest update na ginawa mo.
Google Drive. Make resume. Alam mo, big deal, ano? Wala masyado. Si Annalie, kumusta na? Tanggalin natin ng mute.
Hello.
Hi, Annalie.
Hi, Sir Jomar. Good evening.
Hi. Ready ka na? Your turn.
Yes, I'll share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I'll share my screen now.
Share your screen. So everybody type the words, hi, Annalie. Sa dulo. Para mang spelling. Para encourage Annalie. Hi, Annalie. Something.
Hello, can you see my screen now, Sir Jomar?
Hindi pa, malapit na. Malapit na. Hindi pa, wala pa. Wala pa rin. Malapit na. Excited na.
This one. Okay na? That's it?
Anpay, wala pa. Ayan na. Pull mo na. Go. Okay. Everybody, ayan na. Go.
Hello, everyone. So, welcome to this webinar of how to make a visual career resume that stands out. So, I'm Annalie Quinto. I'm a certified public accountant from Pasig City. So, I'm working as an accountant for almost 10 years now. And this is my family. I'm the eldest among 5 siblings. I'm married for 6 years now. So, this is me and my husband during our wedding. And this is my son, Andre. He will be turning 5 years old next month.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been working as an OFW from Dubai for almost 9 years. So tagal, no? And this is my big why, my son. Because every day I'm waking up early just to have Skype with him so I can watch him play his toys or read some books sa kanya. So it's very difficult for me as a mom na malayo sa anak. Alam mo yun, yung hindi mo siya mahag, hindi mo siya makiss, hindi kayo makapag-play kasi malayo nga kayo sa isa't isa. So it's very difficult for me. So I've researched for other opportunities that I can pursue so I can go back home and spend my time with my son. So since I'm a TRC member, so I've subscribed to Brother Bo's email. So one of his email, he mentioned about Sir Jomar's courses about working from home. So from then, I subscribed to Sir Jomar's emails, and then I've attended a Monday webinar like this. And then doon ko natutunan yung iba't ibang jobs na pwede ko palang doing while working from home. So one of his courses that I took is this Date with Freedom seminar in 2015. So after a year of learning about how to become a virtual professional, so I've decided to resign from my corporate job. So this is my last day of working. So we have this farewell dinner from my colleagues back in Dubai. And in 2016 February, since I need to get additional skills so I can have clients also, so I can start working. So I've attended this instant virtual skills course, which is conducted by Sir Jomar. So every month we have this live meetup. So this is one of the live meetup where Sir Jomar discusses about online marketing or about working from home and other instant skills that we can acquire. And then luckily in October 2016, I got my first online job in Upwork. So after various trainings and learning different kinds of softwares, tools, and apps, and then applying again and again in Upwork, I was found a job in Upwork in October. So after 4 months, in February, I have now 4 clients. I have now 4 ongoing clients, 2 from Upwork, 1 local client, and 1 from outside Upwork, which is a referral. So today I will show you how to make a visual professional career resume that stands out. So the first one, you should have an action photo. So previously, do sa mga dati nating resume, diba, ang resume lang natin is like yung formal na naka-coat and tie ka or naka-formal ka. So in virtual career resume, so dapat something like different para mas appealing sa mga clients. So you're doing something or mas yung background mo mas, for example, like you have this one, you have books as your background. So mas nag-stand out siya from other resume. The next one is you select a very good font. You know how to select a good font. It should be bolder and thicker. Yung basta madali siyang mabasa. And then after that, you should have a positioning phrase. So you should know what is your unique skill that you can sell to your clients. So what do you want to call yourself? What is your expertise? So that is your positioning phrase. Then after that, you should have your own website URL. So you create your own website where you have all your tutorials there. So you put your website there and your email address. So there is no need for your home address or your telephone number. No need for that in the virtual careers resume. And you can put the benefits. What are the benefits you can offer to the clients? So you can start from your company needs someone who can, what are your skills? Or you can rely on me to do this task for you. I can help you in setting up or managing your social media accounts. So you put the important thing here is you put your na word instead of I can do this thing for you. You put your company needs someone who can, or you can rely on me to do this thing, or your company can benefit from my number of years of experience in doing this. So that is one of the tips there. And the other one is what people say about you. So these are the testimonials that you can get from your existing client or from your previous client. If you don't have client yet, if you're working from a corporate, you can have your old bosses to give you a few testimonials that you can put in your resume, or from your friends or other colleagues or other VAs that you have worked with. So aside from testimonials, you can put a screenshot or some proof or evidence of work that you have done. And then it's important to put all your technical skills that you know, all the softwares, applications, or the tools that you know. Just put it all there in your resume so the client can see what are the softwares that you can use. So one important thing also in virtual career resume, it's a one-page resume. So you don't have to prepare a very long resume. Just one page with all the details, important details that the client needs. So this is the comparison of my previous resume in the corporate world and my virtual career resume. So you can see the difference. So lastly, this is the quote from Jim Rohn that you can never wish life were easier, wish that you were better. So every day we find difficulties or struggles in finding work online or how we can start working online. Just continue upgrading your skills, continue taking knowledge and speaks to someone who already been working at home. Then you can find yourself being a virtual professional also. So that's it. Sir Jomar.
Hey, thank you very much. I'm pretty sure they're gonna want a review. So please flash yung resume mo, yung before after. Thank
Before
you.
and after.
Before after lang
Okay.
nila makita. Tapos let's discuss review. Ano ba yung una mong tinuro? Review lang. Alam mo naman.
Okay, yung action photo. First, yung action photo po. So, dapat your photo is something, you're doing something or yung background mo is something appealing then. So, that is the first one. And then the second one is you select yung good font. So, emotionally strong font. From what I've learned from you also, Sir Jomar, that you have, that dapat yung font na pipiliin mo is, readable or basable. Ganun. And then the second one is you have to put your positioning phrase.
Okay.
After, and then the website URL, important po yun, yung website URL, and then your email address, and then the benefits that you can give to your clients, the testimonials or screenshot of some proof or evidence of the tools that you know or skills that you have acquired.
Okay.
And then technical skills, technical skills. What are the software, the applications, the tools that you know. And then basta yung format niya should be clear, understandable, and then yung font niya should be bolder and thicker.
Very good. Ayan. It's 9:32. And thank you very much. Titigan nyo na yung resume. Yun yung laki na pagkaka... Ba?
Yes. Ibang-iba talaga siya. So ako din na-shock din. Iba talaga yung resume naging nagamit for online work. So,
Ibang-iba no? Grabe. Grabe. Kaya mga sinasabi ng mga tao, hindi ko naman course yan. Hindi pa sa akin yan. Wala talagang kinalaman yung course mo. Nakikita niyo yung course ni Annalie?
Yes.
It's there? Wala, no? Wala yung course. Wala din. So kung ikaw, katulad ko, house husband, low self-esteem, housewife, low self-esteem, pareho lang tayo. Hindi pala kailangan, yung mga yun, galing. Nakakatuwa. Di ba nakakatuwa? Ako, natutuwa ako. And isa pang dahilan, fair, sama nga si Cheryl, no? Fair. Whether nag-aral ka o hindi, it's fair. Kasi wala talaga. Walang pakialaman.
Walang kinalaman.
Di ba? Wala silang pakialam kung nag-aral ka.
Or kung saan man prestigious university kapag galing.
Oh, prestigious at oo nga. Tanong na parang ipinipis siya. Ang magsasabi kung para sa'yo yan. Kasi ang magsasabi sa amin di ba? Daldal ko talaga. Thank you so much for super concise na presentation. Di ba ang galing, mga kabayan? Tapos, bistado na ako sino yung kliyente mo, nakasulat sa testimonial mo eh. Hindi ko na lang focus ko ba? Gusto niyo bang i-focus ko? Ano tingin niyo?
Wag na po.
Mga leaders, mga kababayan, magtanong na kayo, magtanong na po kayo. Kasi kung walang tanong, goodbye, tapos na po ang webinar.
Sir Jomar, may nagtanong yan, sabi dyan, ni Melvin. So many online skills. How do you accumulate so much? gawa ka ng tutorial. Yun talaga yung sagot no?
Explain mo dali, explain mo.
Yeah.
Explain
Kasi
gawa ka ng tutorials.
If you purchase yung book, alam ko meron ding assignment doon. So, mga assignment is mag-create ka na at least 10 tutorials about different online tools na hindi mo alam or bago sa pandinig mo. Yun, pag ginawa mo yun, matututunan mo yung online skill, yung 10 online skills na yun. And then, syempre, as you go on, you have to really, update din. Kasi ang dami-dami talagang online tools na ginagamit sa virtual career. So, yun. Aral talaga. Pag may time. Hindi. Bigyan ng time.
Ayun, so habang nag-a-apply ka din, diba? So habang nag-wait ka ng response from your client, then you can browse din yung mga iba-ibang tools that then you can start learning from them. So, siguro one tool a week, marami ka na rin matututunan doon. Then you can acquire these tools din.
Yeah.
Hindi naman kailangan expert ka kaagad. At least you're familiar with yung how to navigate. Pwede na yun.
Yeah, I agree.
Oo, pwede na yun.
Yeah. Hindi naman pag nag-apply ka, expert ka na agad. So, dapat alam mo lang talaga paano siya gamitin, no? Kahit hindi pa lahat. Kasi matututunan mo din siya.
Once ginawa mo na siya, matututunan mo din siya. And then there are other people who can help you also na nag-work na rin sa tools na yon. If you become friends with other virtual assistants, they can help you din naman. Tapos marami namang din group na pwedeng sumuport sa iyo. So, yun.
Annalise, sagutin mo to. Required po ba na kailangan ganito ka-presentable ang resume for you to get hired? Sabi ni May.
Hindi kailangan pangit. Joke lang.
Actually, actually, this resume, marami na rin siyang revision. But then, you can start na, anything na ma-accomplish mo, siguro for one day, you can prepare. And then, after that, you can review it again and then revise it again. So, hindi mo naman ma-achieve agad yung perfect na resume or yung ganyan ka-presentable. As long as you start step by step and then as you go on, makikita mo din naman it should be kung ano yung dapat mong gawin na ano yung i-reform mo or ano yung idadagdag mo, parang ganun. Siguro mas maganda kung ito yung positioning phrase mo or if you have additional skills like additional tools that you acquired, then you update that. So, you can start applying na rin. Kung meron ka ng first draft, you can use that one. And then after 2 weeks or after 3 weeks, you can revise it again. So it depends. But you can start working. I mean, you can start using the first draft of your resume. You can use na yan para mag-apply. So hindi naman kailangan na ganyan naka-presentable.
Basta dapat malinaw yung pinapakita ng resume mo.
Basta clear lang siya, tsaka yun nga, readable dapat.
Yes.
Yes, yun.
Annalise, anong tool ginamit mo sa'yo? Yung may picture na bilog?
Yung may picture po na bilog? Sa Canva po ito, Sir Jomar.
Canva, pakitype sa chat room, mga people. Anong spelling ng Canva? Tanggalin niyo S.
Actually, Sir Jomar, sa Canva nga po, pati doon sa mga, marami diyang template. Marami diyang template that you can use for resume. You just change the picture, the image, and then you change the text. Hindi ko nakikita yung mga message.
Sa chat.
Oo.
May tanong pa dito. Okay lang ba na ang positioning mo is parehas ng ibang VA? Oo naman. Sa akin okay lang 'yun kasi natatawa nga ako kay nakita ko yung resume ni Annalise. Sabi ko, you're so professional. Pareho kami ng positioning. Yan yung vlog ko. Pero okay lang 'yun. No problem with that. Ewan, for me okay lang siya.
Oo nga, pareho tayo.
Natawa talaga ako. Parang, okay, hindi ka parehas ako ng positioning.
Oo nga, actually, ang hirap din kasi sa umpisa.
Mahirap talaga.
Diba, sa mga nag-start, ang hirap lalo na kapag nag-start ka pa rin ng ano bang gagawin kong task online. O ano bang career lang ipupursue ko. So, ang hirap mag-isip ng positioning. But, syempre, pwede ka lang kung ano yung at the top of your head, kung ano yung parang nagre-resonate sa'yo, you can use that. Tapos, as you go along, you can change naman yun kung nagkaroon ka ng expertise sa ibang tools or skills. Like if naging ka na Facebook ads specialist or expert, then you can use that as your positioning. Actually, ito nga medyo general, pati ba superficial. Hindi pa siya gano'n ka-specific. Ayun. So, okay lang.
Ako may hirit.
Ano po?
Sa una, okay lang makigaya ka ng positioning kasi hindi ka naman talaga, hindi mo pa alam. Alam mo yan?
Tama po.
Sigurado, so sino na pwede mong gayahin? Gayahin mo talaga. Kaya after a few months, realize mo, pwede pala ako sa Canva. So yung positioning mo, pwede mong i-mention yung Canva. Katulad sa'yo, Ontraport. Oo. By the way, kung tinatanong nyo ka ng Ontraport, yan yung isa sa mga autoresponder nung una.
Yeah, autoresponder. Yun.
Pero ngayon, social na siya, CRM na siya.
CRM na ang tawag.
CRM.
Yun. How long did you finish all those tutorials? Ako, inabot yan ako ng 1 taon. Oo, 1 year. 1 year kasi nga, yun. Kaya sinasabi ko, you have to give time for it. Kasi matutulad kayo sa akin, 1 year ang inabot ng 10 tutorials. Ayun.
Ako nga din matagal eh. Matagal ko din siya nagawa kasi mahirap din naman siya. Pero, tiyaga lang. Alam mo yun, pag unti, tiyaga. Tapos yun nga, parang may sasuggest din ako. Parang you should have, when pursuing, kahit saan naman, kahit anong goals naman, dapat meron kang accountability partner. So yung accountability partner mo, kasi yun din yung magpupush sa'yo na tapusin, yung mga dapat mong tapusin. Yung mga assignments, mga tutorials, yun.
Saan bumibili ng accountability partner?
Sa group ni Sir Jomar, madami kang pwedeng makuha ng accountability partner.
Yeah. Tsaka
Buti lang mura lang babayad doon sa accountability.
Ayun. Tsaka din, you have to have your, pag natamad kayong gawin yung tutorial, lagi nyo lang isipin, ano ba yung reason ba't ko to ginagawa? Kasi ako nung na-realize ko na talagang ito yung career, mabilis ko lang natapos yung tutorial. Nag-start ako ng May 2014, yung first tutorial ko, tapos ko May 2014, tapos nasundan yung September. Tapos nung nag-Date with Freedom, yun, ako napagtanto na, ay talagang gusto ko tong gawin. Kaya, kinarir ko talaga siya. So parang, less than a month natapos ko yung natitirang walang tutorial. So yun, you have to find your deep why na sinasabi nga.
By the way, biro lang yung accountability partner na may bayad, Walang bayad yun. Tao na kinakausap. Paano kayo nakahanap ng account? Anong ginawa niyo para yung tao maging accountability partner niyo?
Yung sa akin po kasi, usually kasi nagtatanong-tanong lang din ako sa mga Facebook groups. Especially doon sa Facebook group ni Sir Jomar. So parang nakikilala ko na rin yung mga ibang VAs doon na Tapos actually yung accountability partner ko ngayon is si Neri Marcos, one of Sir Jomar's students din. So actually siya yung nag-ask sa akin na if gusto ko maging accountability partner niya. So sabi ko, naman, syempre gusto ko maghanap nga ako ng accountability partner Yun. So yun, doon kami nag-start. Tapos, napansin ko lang, since meron akong accountability partner, yun pala yung kulang din sa yung sa journey ko. Kaya parang medyo mabagal din yung journey ko kasi parang bukod sa walang nagpupush din talaga sa'yo. Parang although may mga task ka na sinet, pero kung meron someone na laging nagpupush sa'yo to do this, mas bibilis yung yung pag-accomplish mo ng goals mo.
Paano ka paano mo pinipisyonary? Ano sinasabi mo sa kanya?
Every week po kasi nagkakaroon kami ng parang meeting, online meeting lang sa Skype. And then, nag-update kami ng about yung what are the goals namin for this week. And then, nag-update din siya sa akin ng goals niya for this week. And then, yun na, kasi nakakaya naman din kapag ito yung sinet kong goals for this week na. For example, I need to finish this one tutorial for this week. And then mag-meet kami. Then pag nag-meet kami, hindi ko nagawa. So parang nakakaya din naman sa kanya na nagsiset siya ng time, nag-aalas siya ng time for our meeting, tapos hindi ko nagawa yung dapat kong gawin. So parang yun yung parang one way na ma-push kami to ma-finish ko yung website ko, ma-finish ko yung mga tutorials ko. And then kapag may mga questions din ako sa kanya, so tinutulungan din niya ako. So parang yun, salitan din kami kapag may mga question din siya sa akin or may mga gusto din siyang itanong. Ganun po.
Okay, let's do the accountability partners sa webinar some other day. Sagutin natin yung ibang tanong. Pero maganda yan. Maganda po.
Maganda yun. Wala akong ganun. Kaya siguro ang tagal ko nakatapon.
Bakit wala accountability partner? Kasi hinahanap yan.
Yeah.
Opo. Mahirap na pong hanapin. Kasi minsan may hinanap din ako, parang hindi naman din siya ganun ka, consistent. So, kailangan
ako niyan, wala din naman kumilos. It's not forced onto people. People have to want the partner.
Yes.
Jomar gives you a partner. Ginawa ko na yan. Wala nangyari. Wala nakita. Si Jean. Si Jean lagi nagtatanong to Starting salary daw per army yung dalawa. Kung game kayo. Starting
confidential. I'm here. Mababa lang yung unang-una As in, nung una, yung first career ko, yung first kong job. Kaya nga nag-aral ako ng ibang tools. Kasi ang baba talaga ng mga usual offer. So, yun. Hindi ko na share. Ang labanan talaga, skills. So, pag madami kang skills or expert ka sa isang field, kaya mong mag-command ng high price. Katulad doon sa client ko ngayon, share ko lang, chika ko lang konti. Kasi part-time lang ako sa kanya, so naghahanap ako ng ibang client. Tapos nalaman niya, naghahanap ako ng ibang client. Sabi niya, wag ka nang maghanap, ganyan. Sa akin ka na lang mag-work. So, binigay ko sa kanya yung demand ko. Sabi ko, ito yung demand ko. Gusto ko flexible yung hours ko. And then, this is the rate. So, alam niyo, sagot niya sa akin, okay, I won't negotiate. Yun lang. So, yun. Kaya kapag nag-aral kayong mabuti ng mga online skills, kaya nyo mag-command talaga na mas mataas na rate. Yun. Hello? Questions pa?
Sige, question pa.
Annalie, ano daw ang pinakamataas sa disk mo? Disk profile mo?
C. I'm a C person. Yes. How about you, PB?
Ako, D.
Oh.
Yeah. Kaya ang gandal ko din.
Oo.
Sorry.
Ako parang more of analytical kasi ako Parang gano'n. Kaya kailangan ko nga din ng someone na D para yung mag-lead. Kasi minsan puro analyze, diba? Wala ka lang.
May tanong si Danny, okay lang po ba na WordPress na website po ang ilagay?
Sa akin, ganun pa lang. Hindi pa ako nakakuha ng paid na WordPress. Yes, okay lang yun sa simula. Okay lang yun sa simula.
Yes, it's okay.
Kasi starting, syempre, yung mga, may bayad din kasi yan So, kung wala ka pang budget for that, okay lang. Sa start, ganun muna. Upgrade mo na lang later on.
Tanong naman ni Melvin again, do clients give you time to get up to speed on their desired services?
Ano daw?
Paano? Iba na lang. Pwede bang Tagalog ang tanong?
Ano yung tanong nanapin ko?
Lesson ako mahirap kayo sa English. Tama ako dyan. Hindi, ang ibig sabihin ni Melvin, sira ulo ba yung kliyente? On day one, gusto bang pagawa agad sa'yo lahat? Kung binibigyan ka ba ng time para matuto? Yun lang naman ang tanong. Ano sagot ko? Dali.
Hindi naman. Kasi sa experience ko, hindi naman niya ako ginanon. Hindi naman.
Sa akin din, hindi. Sa akin hindi rin naman. Actually, tinatanong niya ako if I know kung alam ko yung
Mhm.
tools na yun or yung software na yun before kami mag-start. And then, pag sinabi kong sa kanya, hindi pa ako familiar, and then, binibigyan naman niya ako ng time to, if I want to learn yung tools na yun. So, tulad ng isang client ko ngayon, parang social media yung pinapagawa niya. Pero since wala pa naman ako masyadong social media na meron siyang course na kinuha, which is parang tinuturoan niya din ako. So parang nagsishare siya ng knowledge. Parang nagsishare din siya ng niya, ng mga ideas niya, ng knowledge niya para may apply ko din sa business niya. So, parang hindi naman lahat ng client na dapat alam mo na lahat. You can be honest with them kung ano yung alam mo, and then you can, kung hindi ka naman familiar, madali namang mag-research Parang sa YouTube, napakadaming tutorials, sa Google.
Pwedeng magtanong.
Oo, yun. Pwedeng magtanong sa mga ibang VAs. So, wag lang din kayo matakot na porket na hindi nyo alam yung tools na ito. Kasi yun din yung naging problem ko. Parang since hindi mo siya alam, andun na yung fear agad na ayaw mo na mag-jump to parang pag-aralan siya. Kasi parang natatakot ka na agad. Pero step by step lang. Siguro one tutorial video sa YouTube. And then, the next day, maghanap ka ulit ng another tutorial for that. And then, yun, malalaman mo na rin yung tools. May question pa tayo?
May question, sadali hagilapin ko lang Tatanong ni Aura, is there a difference between tools and skills? Parang wala. Wala.
Or the skills. Ano bang difference nun? Yung tools kasi parang mga din yun yung mga applications, diba? Mga apps. And then if you know to use that tools, then yun na yung skills mo.
Exactly.
Parang yun yung pagkakaintindi ko dun.
Yeah, it's the same. Tools and skills are the same. Tinatanong ni, ang sipag ng iba magtanong talaga Si Devin, sobrang sipag. Annalie, you already have 4 clients. Do you still have time for other things?
Yes, I still have a lot of times.
So, explain.
Meron naman. Meron pa namang time. Kasi yung mga clients ko naman, hindi naman sila what to call it?
Baliw.
Yung kailangan full-time kang naka-online or naka-available for messaging. So, I still have time for my son, for my family. So, like today nga, since nag-prepare ako for the webinar, so I did not work for my clients. Tomorrow, mag-work na ako.
Parang tayo. Shorten lang yung work sa kanya.
Oo, kasi hindi naman din rush lahat. So parang if they give me task today and then I'll just send them the message that what is the timeline, when do you want me to submit this task, and then they will say after 2 days or after 3 days. If it is not that urgent, then tsaka ko i-schedule yung time ko. So, time management lang din para at the same time, habang nag-work ka, meron ka ding time for learning. So, continuous learning pa rin yan. So, dapat nag-a-add ka pa rin ng mga skills. And then, para sa family mo din, since I'm taking care of my son din, diba? So, ako yung nag-aalaga sa kanya. So, yun, kailangan time management din. So, yes. Yes po.
Sandali. Tell us, pareho kayong graduate ng Date with Freedom. Parehong live or pareho?
Hindi. Download ako.
Downloadable din po ako, Sir Jomar.
So, na-experience ng natuto kayo online lang. Hindi kayo mas natuto kayo sa online na downloadable kaysa dun sa kaysa dun sa
Kesa sa,
Yun.
wala akong live na event mo pang na-attendan, Sir Jomar. Puro downloads lang.
Ay, ganun.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ang tamad ko
Ako
kasing
naman.
lumuwas eh. Yun talaga yung reason, no? Hindi,
Malayo.
seryoso. Cavite kasi ako, so na-imagine ko pa lang yung traffic parang, and like, during Date with Freedom, pregnant ako nun, kaya hindi ako nakaluwas. Pero gusto kong umattend nung live.
So nung
Mm.
you consume the Date with Freedom, ano naman ang experience niyo? How does it feel, or why did it help you? What do you think is the reason why? Mukhang nagka-resulta yon.
Ayun.
For-
Sa akin kasi,
sige.
sige, si Annalyn muna.
Ano, sige.
Sa akin kasi, ang ganda ng Date with Freedom. Ang hindi niyo pa yun na, seryoso ako. Ang ganda niya kasi, maganda yung pagkakali-out ng mga topic. Talagang nabigay sa, parang na-open yung mind ko na, okay. Talagang naano ako dun eh. Parang na-convert no? Na ito talaga yung reason. Ito talaga yung career na gusto ko. Kasi, lalo na yung exercise na you have to write the 100 reasons. Anali, ginawa mo ba yun? Ako kasi talaga sinulat ko yun eh.
Oo, ginawa ko yun.
Sinulat ko yun. At alam nyo ba na natupad yung isa ngayong gabi? O, di ba?
Wow!
Sinulat. Kaya, sabi ko, gusto kong mag-guest sa webinar ni Jomar. Yan. Sinulat ko talaga yun. Ayun. So, kasi dun na-define, sa akin sa Date with Freedom na-define yung reasons bakit ko gustong mag-virtual career. So, I think yun yung reason kung bakit talaga nagka-resulta yung Date with Freedom. For me.
For me naman, kasi since nag-start pa lang din ako noon, so yung Date with Freedom talaga yung nakatulong sa akin para maintindihan ko talaga kung paano ba yung work at home. Kasi parang very siya eh, yung unfamiliar sa akin, parang hindi ko alam kung ano ba yung work at home na yan. Ang alam ko lang is yung parang nagtitake ng mga calls. Ay, hindi naman ako call center agent. So, nung nag-avail ako ng Date with Freedom, so natutunan ko dun yung from the start, yung yung mga careers na pwede mong gawin na familiar ka or based dun sa DISC profile mo. And then how, like this one nga, how to make your resume. So from the Date with Freedom, natutunan yung visual career na resume. Tapos about positioning, how yung positioning phrase mo, and then how you select your, marami ang dami niyang yung how you select yung computer na gagamitin mo.
Madami talaga siya.
Tapos may mga kasi siya, aside from the live event, meron pa silang mga
pre-event,
May
post-event din.
Tapos may post-event pa. Tapos yung mga speaker talagang mga virtual professionals na sila. So, yung mga tips nila doon, nakatulong din talaga sa akin. How will I start? And then, marami. Actually, sinulat ko nga yung Date with Freedom na sa notebook. Meron akong one notebook. Yung isang notebook na yung puro Date with Freedom na notes ko lang siya. Yung 100 whys, yun, importante yun. Saka yung different, yung mga different apps that you can based dun sa, sa profile mo. Yung, if you're D, if you're an I, S, or C. So, ano yung mga apps na kailangan mong matutunan or yung mga tasks or mga jobs na pwede mong applyan. So, that you will get from the Date with Freedom seminar. Yun.
Very much. Kailangan ko mag-announcement kasi magtatanong na sila. Mag-announce sandali, kita kung tama yung aking pagkas.
Maganda yun. Take niyo yung course na yun.
Date with Freedom. There's gonna be a Date with Freedom live sa October 7. Bakit October 7? So, sino naman ang gusto dyan? Date with Freedom, October 7. That's a Saturday. Hanggang gabi po tayo dyan.
7 months na lang.
Can you ask me what's so special about this one? So, Date with Freedom is a live event. And the link I just gave you will give you access to the Date with Freedom in October, yung Date with Freedom recordings nila Annalie at Phoebe, the 25% off.
Wow. 25%.
Only for 10 people. So that link that I just gave everyone, nakita niyo yung link? Tatago ko ba? Help will get you a 25% off dun sa upcoming October 2017 na Date with Freedom, but will also give you access to the recordings of recordings of what? Yung Date with Freedom course na tinake nila Annalie at ni Phoebe.
Yes. Yung 2015.
That's the 2015 Date with Freedom. You're gonna get the same recording. But only for 10 people. So 25% off, live event, recording, discounted on 25%. You have up to October, you have also hanggang March, ano yun? March something, I can't see the date. Sorry, I can't find. March 20, I think, hanggang March 28 lang yan. Yan. Coupon. Ang venue, di ko pa alam eh. Sorry, somewhere in Manila. The Date with Freedom is always in Manila. So, venue, para malaman mo na hindi hanggang March 28, hanggang March 20 lang. Hanggang March 20 lang ang deadline. Venue, I won't tell you the venue kasi some of you are saying, ang layo naman. Eh di, huwag kang umattend. May recording nga eh. Recording of the 2005 already. You get the recordings immediately, actually, when you sign up. 10 people only, 25% off. I just did this promo now lang kasi pareho pala silang Date with Freedom. So, whoever is determined to learn this, that's, matagal pa yan, over. Pero, makuha mo na agad yung 2015 Date with Freedom. Exactly as Annalie and Phoebe enjoyed it. Downloadable. Okay ba? So, 10 tao lang. Siyempre, wala ayaw mag-click, di ba? Kasi naka-cellphone mga tao. So, magkano ba yan? So, tignan natin kung magkano. Hindi tanda eh. Let's see. It's, how much is it? It's 200,000 pesos lang. How much is it? 10,563.75. 10,563.75 pesos. Okay? 10,563.75 pesos. Thank you very much for saying. Okay, so that's it. Webinar's finished. Okay ba? 10 o'clock na.
Okay po.
Ayoko na habaan kasi wala na nakikinig sa atin. Thank you very much, Phoebe and Annalie, for joining.
Thank you, Sir Jomar. Thank you po.
Yes, marami kayong tanong, but you know what? Para sa inyo lang ko, because most of the people in the replay, they stop listening at 20 minutes. So, why continue, right? Just always next week, right? We're gonna talk about in-depth kung ano pang aspect ng virtual careers next week. So, just stay tuned. We're gonna give you the announcement. Okay? And as our practice, we are not people who wants to just be inspired today. Diba? Inspire lang, pero walang action. Ang tawag doon, loser. Sorry it's an accurate word. If all you get is inspiration, don't take action, you are definitely a person who's not going. If you want to win in life, you have to do something. Kailangan kumilos ka. So please create posters of and post it in our Facebook group and post it in your personal account. Paano gumawa ng poster? Gumamit kayo ng cellphone nyo. Yeah? So if you learned anything tonight, put it in our Facebook group, and also post it in your personal account. Some of you will need to overcome fear just to do that. Mabuti pa gawin nyo na ngayon habang wala kayong kaharap na kliyente. Okay? So good night. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Phoebe and Annalie.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone for joining the webinar. Thank you, Sir Jomar.
Thank you.
Thank you,
And
Phoebe.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting
you get to join the Instant Virtual Skills afternoon session for free if you already are a member, you get to join an extra month. Okay ba yun?
Wow.
Ganun naman ang mga guest ng webinar libre sa IBS.
Thank you, Sir Jomar.
Thank you.
By the way, announcement, ang Instant Virtual Skills coming this March 25 is all about video marketing. Okay?
Wow.
Mas marami kayong kasama. Marami akong hinila sa World Summit. Tapos, so April 8 naman, a few weeks after, mga 2 weeks after, April 8 Instant Virtual Skill is going to be about Instagram marketing. So mga Instant Virtual Skills members. Okay? Thank you very much for joining. Anong Instant Virtual Skills? Ano yung mga courses? Punta kayo sa Virtual Careers Academy. Nandun yung mga courses ni Jumar. Tingnan nyo na. Pero, nandun naman yung ano, hindi yung Virtual Freedom, nilagay ko din dyan. So, Virtual Careers Academy. Nandun yung mga courses if you want to learn that stuff. Okay? Nandun din po ang replay. Hanapin nyo po yung Monday webinar replays. Nandyan din yung link. Okay? God bless. Thank you.
God bless.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
My heart, Annalyn TV. I hope to see you soon.
Yeah.
See you soon, Sir Jomar. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Yes, downloadable po lahat ng ginagawa namin. Bye! Early, tinatanong ni Early, yung Google Forms ng employers online, humihingi ng home address and contact number. Siyempre, hindi pareho yun sa resume. Iba naman yun, right? The resume and the Google Forms are not the same. So, feel free to enter your details. God bless! Uy, ang ganda ng tanong. Nandiyan pa kayo? May, kids? Annalie,
I'm still here.
sagutin mo nga to. Ang ganda to eh. Pag ginawa ko ba lahat ng tutorials, pwede na ako mag-ask ng $20. Ano sagot mo dyan?
If you're confident na,
Yun.
if you're confident daw, why not? For me.
Yan po ang purpose kaya kayo gumagawa ng tutorial para tumaas ang confidence. Pag confidence na, tira, okay na yun, $20. Nasa libro din yung solusyon para mag-rehearse. Di ba? Rehearse mo yung pag nag-aano ka.
Tama po.
Diba? Thank you, Annalie, again. God bless.
Bye. God bless.